So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to smoke mackerel fish. So here is my mackerel fish, and I have some toothpick to hold it later and salt. So let's get started. I have already cleaned some of the fish, so I left some to show you how I clean them. Wow, it has egg. Wow, can you just see the egg? Yeah, I'll be cleaning it later. So here I have the fish. I have cleaned and washed it. So what next I will be doing with a kitchen paper, I will just try to dry them. Then I will rub some salt. So that's just it. So this, I'll transfer it here. So I prepared this tray with the oven grate. So I will be leaving the fish on top so that it will get dry a little before I will put it in the oven. So you just open the mouth. What you do, you open the mouth and put the tail in between the mouth. Just this way. Very easy. So I will be leaving it for more 10 minutes to dry before putting it in the oven. These two, I will be cutting them and be smoking them also. So firstly, I will start by rubbing some salt. Wow, and it also has egg. I have already preheated my oven at 200 degrees. So now I will be putting it in the oven. So you can see down in the oven there, I have my oven tray wrapped with the aluminum foil so that when the water from the fish drops, it will not drop on the oven, it will drop on the tray. So here, after a total of 40 minutes, 20 minutes each side, you can see the fish is well smoked. So here we have our fish, it's ready. And that is the egg of the fish. I also smoked it. So I'll be testing it. And this smoked mackerel fish goes well with ogbono soup, okra soup, and even oha soup. It gives the soup a very nice taste. If you haven't yet tried smoked mackerel fish in your soup, just give it a try. You will not regret it. And thanks so much for watching this video, for liking it, for subscribing. And don't forget that you can always share my video to your family and friends. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.